The first person to preach, carry the good news of Christ's resurrection was in fact a woman. That is true. Typing. I know, right? Keyboards. Who designed this keyboard? You know, the keyboard that we used was originally invented to keep people from typing so fast. They laid out the keyboard alphabetically, and pardon me if I'm saying this incorrectly, but I think it was for telephone operators, and they were using the keyboard too fast, and the machine couldn't keep up, so they scrambled the letters up. They scrambled the letters up so that the women wouldn't type so fast. I took typing class, and it really doesn't show. It really doesn't show that I ever took typing class. So the reason I looked up all that stuff, did all that research, is because this past Sunday, uh, this new church that I'm going to, they have a class called Discover for new people who want to become members. And they created the class in order to say, hey, these are the things that we believe, and there are people who they get involved with the church, and then they realize, hey, I didn't know you believed that, and then well, if I knew you believed that, I wouldn't have spent so much time there. So they mentioned that they believe in complementarianism, and the women had a fit. Not a fit, mind you, but just they had questions. They had, there were 3 women there, and their husbands. My wife was sick. Maybe I'm exaggerating when I say the word had a fit, but they did not agree with the complementarianism approach. So I had to do some research. And like I said, I don't know. I thought I knew at first which way I was going to land, but now I'm more confused than I was at first. Unless you take their class, you are excluded from certain things, I bet. These are degrees of the scripture. There are degrees of it in scripture. Degrees of what? Degrees of... complementarianism. Yeah, I'm just wondering why he says one thing in one church and something else in another church. So they do allow women to serve, but the only thing about they say a woman cannot do is to preach and or to give advice about people's lives. So can't preach from the pulpit, but are able to give advice to other women. I just want to understand why it seems like there's a conflict in the scriptures. So who does? What did I say? What's your question? Who's there? Can you voice chat somewhere? Oh, so you're talking about Discord? I do have Discord. Oh, somebody followed. Thank you very much for the follow. Who followed me? Oh my, I cannot pronounce that. DPSXRN. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. I don't know what language that is. That has no vowels. Not sure if that's an what do you call that? Acronym? Thank you. I'll just say thank you. Yes, I do have a Discord. I apologize that I never checked my Discord. But if you want to talk after the stream, I can be available. I'm drawing rocks. I got a rock. Charlie Brown, trick-or-treating. I got a rock. The more I look at this, I think that black is going to... Maybe if I could erase this. Okay, I like that. I like it. The real test is when you take the pencil lines away. Let's take away the pencil layer. Okay, I think that